Need secure access? Here's how to register your mobile device for US Bank Multi-Factor Authentication. Have your mobile phone, US Bank username, and password ready. This takes just a few minutes. Open the US Bank mobile app and sign in with your credentials. When prompted, select Set Up Device under Multi-Factor Authentication settings. Choose Mobile Push or Text Message as your verification method, then tap Continue. If you choose Push, keep the app on this device and allow notifications. Follow the on-screen setup. Confirm your phone number if prompted, then send the verification code. Enter the code you receive by text or approve the push notification to verify this device. Name this device, for example, my iPhone, so you can recognize it later. Review the security settings and enable biometrics if you want faster sign-in. Complete setup and you'll see a confirmation that your device is registered for multi-factor authentication. Keep your device secure, update the app regularly, and contact US Bank if you need help.